dumpster rental service in Inverness, Florida. For efficient and hassle-free waste disposal in Inverness, Florida, All Things Dumpster Rental is your trusted partner. Whether tackling a home renovation project, clearing out a property, or managing construction debris, our reliable dumpster rental services ensure a streamlined process. With a wide range of container sizes, we accommodate jobs big and small, providing a perfect fit for your waste management needs. Our team prioritizes timely delivery and pickup, ensuring your project stays on track without unnecessary delays. At All Things Dumpster Rental, customer satisfaction is a top priority, and we take pride in offering competitive rates and transparent pricing with no hidden fees. This commitment to affordability and excellence makes waste disposal simple and budget-friendly. We handle all types of non-hazardous waste, making it easy to dispose of household items, construction debris, yard waste, and more. Our professional and friendly staff is here to answer your questions, guide you in selecting the right dumpster size, and handle all logistical aspects so you can focus on what matters most. Ready to make your project cleanup simple and efficient? Contact All Things Dumpster Rental at 35280-48783 today to experience seamless professional service tailored to your needs in Inverness, Florida. We're here to make waste disposal stress-free and convenient.